Writing to an uninitialized Go map causes a runtime panic. Here is everything you need to know to create maps correctly. The primary way to create a map in Go is the built-in make function. The map type syntax puts the key type inside square brackets, followed by the value type. So map string int means string keys with integer values. Call make with this type to get a fully initialized, ready-to-use map. One important constraint: the key type must be comparable. Strings, integers, and booleans all work, but slices and maps themselves cannot be used as keys. Here is the critical trap. Declaring a map without initializing it gives you a nil map. Reading from a nil map is safe. It returns the 0 value. But writing to a nil map triggers an immediate runtime panic and crashes your program. The diagram shows both paths. The uninitialized route ends in a crash, while make leads to success. The second approach is a map literal. The map type followed by curly braces containing comma-separated key-colon-value pairs. Use this when initial data is known at compile time. Make also accepts an optional second argument, a capacity hint. Passing 100 tells Go to pre-allocate space for roughly 100 entries, reducing allocations when you know your map's approximate size. Use make for empty maps, a literal for known data, always initialize before writing, and add a capacity hint when you know the size up front. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.